So in this video we're going to look at how to create a particle system. You can create one from scratch by going to game object, going to effects, and going to particle systems, and right away you'll see how it's going to look like, and it's also showing up how it changes, right? You can change the speed of it by going here, especially if it's like a smoky effect that you want the effect to be slow, and maybe you can change some of these parameters. There are no right or wrong ways of changing this. You can change the color. You need to just try it out and see how it works. So there is no real magic numbers that you can put into this. And it's just a matter of trying out things, trying out these numbers. See if that doesn't work. Simulation speed, if we don't want it to be that fast, so let's do it leave it at 5. And you can also scale it down. So for example, if you want some smoke coming through your kettle or something, you can scale it down to the appropriate size, and it's just a matter of really figuring out what the best option is, or best what are some good numbers are, really. So that's how you create a particle system, and you can use this for like a chimney, smokestack. Go in. I think we have a delay set to the particle system, that's why it's not showing up. Let's go back and see. Is there a delay? Yeah. So let's make the delay 0. So you should see the particle system there. So that's your smoke. It doesn't look very realistic, so you need to mess around with the numbers just a little bit more. It depends on the scale of the object, scale of the project as well. But basically that's how you create a particle system. Now, having said that, if you go into the asset store and search for particle systems, you would get a bunch of particle systems that you can download for free. However, you need to be cautious on which ones you download and use. Some of these can corrupt your entire file, so I would recommend that you use a different file to test out these particle systems and find the ones that would work and then use them in your projects. Right. I wouldn't just download random particle systems and add it to your project, because sometimes the scripts don't work and your whole file becomes unusable, so I wouldn't do that. Alright, that's about particle systems.